Honorable dignitaries, learned delegates, respected teachers and students, good afternoon to one and all. I, Nisha Kumari, with Akansha Sharma, feel privileged to welcome you all on behalf of Organizing Committee of two-day International Conference on Computer and Computational Sciences, the third session in virtual mode. Well, Alan Turing said, those who can imagine can create the impossible. So it is on occasion like this we get opportunities to make our imaginations wander and take a shape of future. We look forward to get an exposure about what the best of the brains thinks. I would now start with the keynote address session. This session's keynote is addressed by Dr. Roberto Caldelli. I welcome Dr. Roberto Caldelli. Dr. Roberto is an associate professor of network security and cybersecurity of Mercatorum University, Rome from May 2018. Dr. Roberto was an assistant professor with the Media Integration and Communication Center, MICC, of the University of Florence, Italy. Dr. Roberto has received a degree in electric engineering and the PhD degree in computer science and telecommunication from the University of Florence, Italy in 1997 and 2001, respectively. In 2014, he has joined the National Inter-University Consortium for Telecommunication as a permanent researcher and coordinates the Multimedia Forensics and Security Laboratory of the CNIT Research Unit in Florence. His research activity for over 20 years has focused on the study of technique for digital image processing, interactive television, digital watermarking of images and videos, cybersecurity, multimedia forensics, and adversarial attacks. Dr. Roberto is co-author of over 100 papers in international journals and conferences and 2 patents in the fields of content security and multimedia interactions. Dr. Roberto is an elected member of IEEE Information Forensics and Security Technical Committee from 2016 to 2018, from 2021 to 2023 of the Signal Processing Society and IEEE Senior Member. Today, Dr. Roberto is with us to talk about deepfake, the new frontier of counterfeiting. It will be my pleasure to invite Dr. Roberto Caldelli, Associate Professor, Mercatorum University, Rome. A very warm welcome. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much for the presentation. Thank you very much. Thank you for inviting me. So I think I can try to share my screen, okay? Okay. Can you tell me if you can see my screen? Hello? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay, thank you very much. So may I start?
Yes, sir, you can start.
Okay, thank you very much. So first of all, thanks again for the presentation. And so I'm Roberto Caldelli. I'm a researcher mainly here at the CNIT, which is a consortium which involves most of the university in Italy dealing with telecommunication and computer science and engineering in general. And I coordinate the research unit in Florence, and in particular I coordinate the multimedia forensic and security lab. And so just to start a brief summary of my talk. So first of all, I would like to focus on the context of counterfeiting, and try to explain how counterfeiting multimedia content, in particular image and videos, is important from the point of view of generating misinformation. And then I will give you some general examples of how images and videos can be manipulated in let's say, in the history. Okay? And then I will go through the evolution of artificial intelligence and also with the generation of deepfakes. And I will give you some hints of what is basically a deepfake, and I will go through two methods to generate deepfake, and on the other side, methods to detect deepfake. I will give you just some inputs to understand how deepfake can be generated and can be detected. I will not go through in detail